Hello everyone, welcome to Check It Out channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new partition on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to Windows Explorer and then go to this PC. Now decide from which drive you want to take the space to create the new partition. I don't have much space available on my C drive or D drive, but I have a lot of space available on my E drive, so I'll use this one to create the new partition. But if you are going to use the C drive, which is fine, the process is going to be same. Now what you have to do is just go to the search box and then type in partitions and then click on create and format hard disk partitions. Now from here you can see that here is my C drive, here is my D drive, and here is my E drive, which has the most space available. Now if you are going to use the C drive, you can just right click on it and then click on shrink volume, but since I'm going to use the E drive, I'll do the same process here. So I'll just right click and then click on shrink volume. Now it is going to take some time, maybe a few minutes, depending on the speed of your hard drive, so don't think that it is stuck, just hang in there. Now that it is ready, all I have to do now is write this space in megabytes. So if I want 10 gigabytes, I'm gonna have to write 10,000, and that means 10 gigabyte. But I'm going to do a 50 gigabytes drive, so I'll just write 50,000, which means 50 gigabytes. Now all I need to do is click on shrink, and as you can see here, our new drive is ready, but we need to format it and give it a drive letter before we can use it. As you can see here, the drive is still not showing up. Now all you need to do is just right click on it and then click on new simple volume and then click on next. You don't have to do anything here, click on next again. Now give it a drive letter. Since I have the drive letter F available, I will just select this one and then click on next. Now you can give your new partition a name, so I'll just type in new partition and then click on next and then click on finish. And as soon as I did that, here you can see that our new partition is ready, and if I move it here you can see our new empty partition. Now you can just close this window and use the new partition as your another drive. And that is how you can create a hard disk partition on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.